Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Desk. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD technical outlook. In previous trading session, index opened on flat note and it has witnessed extreme volatility on either side for most part of trading session, which led index to close on flat note. It has closed around 87.34 with gain of 18 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a doji candlestick pattern which represents short-term pause in its recent uptrend. On the daily chart, index continued to remain in a uptrend, forming higher top, higher bottom formation, indicating sustained uptrend. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trader sustains above 87.50 levels, then it may witness intraday buying momentum in the range of 87.90 to 88.10 levels. From current levels, immediate intraday support zone is around 87.20 level. Any violation of this support zone will cause some profit booking towards 8700 and 8670 levels. Currently, Nifty is well placed about 2050 as well as 100-day simple moving average, which supports bullish sentiment in short term as well as in medium term. Hence, any short term correction towards support zone will remain as a buying opportunity for short term traders. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI continues to remain in positive territory and it is quoting above its reference line, indicating sustained strength at current level. Some positive bias stocks for the day are Biocon, Berger Paints, Jindal Steel, GPPL, Oil, Just Dial and Tata Steel, whereas some negative bias stocks for the day are PEL and Yes Bank. Moving to the USD technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD opened with a downward gap and it has witnessed some pullback rally in initial hour. However, selling pressure at higher levels led USD to close near day's low. It has closed around 67.56, losing 0.20%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a sizable bearish candle carrying long upper shadow, indicating resistance at higher levels. On the daily chart, USD continued to form lower top, lower bottom formation, indicating sustained downtrend. Currently, USD is sustaining below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment ahead. For the day, we expect USD to trade with negative bias and below 67.54 levels, it may witness further selling pressure towards 67.30 to 67.20 levels. On the upside, immediate intraday resistance zone is around 67.60 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory and they are quoting below 50 mark, indicating selling may arise on pullback rally. Thank you.